my birthday. Welcome back to another video. My name is Hania and today is my birthday. Yay! And I'm really excited. So I have this cheesecake. So now let's start cutting it. Okay, ready? Okay, let's blow the candles. Ready, set, go. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Hip hip! Hooray! Hip hip! Hooray! So now that you've seen my birthday clip, so now I think it's time to get unboxing. And my sister also got another set. My sister got a Rapunzel carriage. So, without further ado, let's get on to the video. If you guys didn't get to see, this is the front of the box. It's like Ariel and the princess sitting in the bird standing. There's Sebastian over there. There's the dog. Here's the side. The Ariel, Sebastian, the dog, and the prince. Here's the back. So here's a cartoon, and then this is like the Lego version. See the big difference? Yeah. So, okay, so now let's start unboxing. Okay. So let's start. Who's excited? Me. Okay. And remember, you need a parent to guide you, or a guardian, because scissors can be really sharp. This tape is so hard. 1 minute. Did I get it? Yep. There we go. One more. There we go. Okay, so let's get everything out. Okay, guys, so I don't think you guys would want to watch me make all of this, so I'm gonna time-lapse this.
Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
Okay, guys, so I'm now done building this Lego set, and my sister's also made one. So please explain yours.
This is Mother Gothel,
Oh, she is a meanie.
and there's Rapunzel.
Oh, she's pretty.
Rapunzel has a secret treasure chest that Mother Gothel's not supposed to know about.
Honey, time for your archery class. Come on.
Yes, Mother.
You're gonna get late. Okay, what were you doing down there?
Nothing.
Okay, start your archery class. Get your arrow thingy. Do you want me to make you some snack?
Yes, Mother.
Where's the kitchen? I forgot.
It's inside, remember?
Okay. I'm gonna come back. I'm coming back. Okay.
Okay. He does not do this. I'm gonna go get my treasure chest. Let me take the bows out of my hair so I can brush my hair again.
Okay, so now it's time to see mine. So, can you hold this, sister?
Sure.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Okay, so now let's show the characters. Ariel. Hi, I'm here. Okay, that's good. Prince, please come. Okay, I'm here. Hey, you're not the prince. Oh, hi. I'm here. I'm so tired. That's why I need something to lean on. So stop judging me. Okay? Fine. Okay, so Daisy, my woofer come. Woof, woof, woof. Woof, 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 woof. Ha, Prince, that's what you get. Woof, 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 woof. Ha, that's what you get. Okay. Okay, so I heard this person go woof woof. Who was it? That's probably Sebastian making fun of Daisy and doing his opera. Under the sea, under the sea, under the sea, under the sea with all of you. Under the sea. Sebastian, stop it. Under the sea, with all of us can see, with you and me. Okay, so here's Sebastian, here's Princess Ariel, here's the prince, and here's Daisy. So those are the characters, and so let's get their special place. This is Ariel and the prince's favorite spot. So let's put them in. Okie dokie. Who just said okie dokie? Sebastian. Okie dokie, okie dokie, pokey dokie, okie dokie. Yeah, guys, so Sebastian could get really weird sometimes. Hey, what did you say? And he also changes accents. It's so weird. I'm weird. What about you? We're all weird. Yeah, you see what I mean? See what I mean? I'm normal. You're weird. Yeah? Oh no. Who said I'm weird? I'm the princess, you weirdo. Okay, so those were just the weirdest moments of my life. Ariel. What, honey? You forgot to wear your cape. There's no cape. I don't have a cape. Stop lying. Stop lying. Stop lying. I found a free tiara. Stop lying. Sebastian, cut it out. Give me my tiara back. You better come and catch me. Ugh, whatever. I have an extra one. Okay, so let's do some magic. There's gonna be a box that's gonna appear with Ariel's missing cape. 1, 2, 3. Whoa, that was cool. So, oh honey, that's amazing. Let me get out. Okay. Okay, so, whoa, my tiara! Sebastian, I lost my tiara. I'm so sad. Oh, you mean this one? Hey, where did you get that from? It fell out of the sky. Under the sea. Don't feel well because of you guys. I'm just joking, but because of Ariel. That was just weird. Let's open this. Excuse me. Okay. Ow. Ooh. Ah. Ooh. Okay. Oh my gosh, that's so pretty, guys. Look at the beautiful hearts. She has to have that on. Who said don't show? Oh, Sebastian is so weird. He can be so weird sometimes, and he can get really upset sometimes. You guys can still hear him cry. Okay, thank you so much, guys. And we couldn't have done this without you.
Ow.
Hallelujah. Okay, so now let's give you a tour of our shoe. Okay. Guys, that teleported us here. Alien is the worst. He stole my tiara. She's so weird. I just like being weird. Sebastian, stop. Get away. Under the sea. Under the sea. Under the sea. I'm so sad. I can't express it. I can't sing properly now because of Ariel. I'm gonna come back at the end of the video, guys. He's a weird person. Hey! I'm gonna tell the YouTubers all your secrets. Go ahead. Okay. Go ahead. Fine. Okay, so when they're off camera, they slap each other. They also say, ew, ew, ew. And this must look at it, ew, ew. Stop embarrassing me. You said you had nothing to hide. Ha ha, you got exposed. Ugh. Oh my gosh. What did I ever do to you? Call me weird. Oh my gosh. I'm just gonna go. Okay. So now let's do the boat view. Okay, so I think I can do it by myself. Are you sure? Sure. Okay. Okay, so we're on my staircase. Let's do magic. 3, 2, 1. That's right there. Come on the side, guys. Okay, so let's go on. Oh, my cape, I need to fix it. Okay. Okay, guys, so as my friend Rapunzel, she has a secret safe that no one knows of, but I have a safe which my Prince knows about. So yeah, let's go up the stairs. Okay, let me get the thing. Okay, let's get out. Okay. So in here, I keep a letter and a diamond. My most precious diamond. No one knows about this except for me and my husband. And also Rapunzel has a treasure chest full of diamonds. 2 of them. Yeah, so don't tell them. Don't tell anyone that I'm keeping this here. This is the only safe place I can put it. Okay? So you better keep it a secret. And also Sebastian doesn't even know. Okay, so shh, be quiet. Okay, guys, you have to promise me that you're not going to tell anyone about what I just showed you. Okay? Okay. Okay, so now let's go back on. Okay, okay, so let's go at the front of the boat. Here's where you can, like, move the wheel. You can drive the boat. Oh, whoa. Woo! Whoa! Whoa! Oh, that was a close one, guys. That was a close one. Okay, let's walk the plank. Oh no! Just joking. It's my vanity. Okay, shh, I look pretty. Here's my water and all that. And yeah, that's basically it. So let's come off the boat. Come here, guys. Okay, here's the front. And do you know what? And you know what these are for? 1 minute. So I have these special things. I have a glass, which it's for my prince. I have this, and these are so special. Let me show you what they do. Okay, 1 minute, guys. Okay. So you see this? It's a gun. Sir, let's do this. Sir, if you press the top thing, woo, it flies. Do you want me to show you guys again? Ooh, that was fun. Okay, so now let's show my sister's set. Okay, so now let's come here. Okay, guys, so sis, show us what's inside your carriage.
You're thinking this is not a door, but it actually is.
Whoa! And they're sleeping in?
And if you look closely next to Mother Gothel, there's this kitchen. Tiny one.
Cool.
And this is Rapunzel's diary.
Whoa, no one should know about that.
Mother Gothel doesn't even know about it.
Okay.
And Rapunzel, this is Rapunzel's treasure chest.
Whoa, does Mother Gothel know about it?
No. No one knows about her.
But now we know about it.
Only you guys are allowed.
Oh,
This is
guys,
her
and
comb.
make sure you don't tell Mother Gothel where it is.
And she has these like flower things that she can put in her hair. And she has 2 crowns. She has extras. And she has a diamond.
Okay,
She has 2 diamonds. She has a blue one and this pink one.
is that it?
No. The horse? Yes, that is.
Okay, guys, so is there anything else that you want to show? Oh, yeah, and there's also an archery place at the top, and there's a horse. So, that wraps up for this video. So, until next time, bye!